Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get BMW M3 GTR in NFS Unbound. First, ensure your account meets the unlock level and have at least a few race tokens. Focus on completing story milestones and weekly challenges that reward high-tier blueprints or keys. Track the in-game shop and event rotations closely because the M3 GTR often appears through timed offers or blueprint drops tied to specific events and missions. Gathering blueprints is the heart of this grind, so prioritize events that list high-tier car fragments as rewards. Focus on challenge series and time trials that offer blueprint crates, and spend token currency only on bundles with M3 GTR parts. Use duplicates and salvage to upgrade fragments into full blueprints faster, and keep an eye on daily login rewards that sometimes include helpful keys or fragments to speed completion. Once you complete the blueprint assembly, claim the BMW M3 GTR from your garage and begin upgrading it immediately to meet race class requirements. Allocate upgrade tokens to the areas where you need the most improvement, and test drives on varied tracks to fine-tune handling versus top speed balance. Save credits for final upgrades and prioritize parts that complement your driving style to make the car competitive in ranked and
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.